I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone front camera blurry. So if you have a blurry front camera in your iPhone, there are some things that you can do. A blurry front camera on your iPhone can be caused by dirt, software glitches, or hardware issues. Here's a systematic approach to fix it. The first thing you can do is clean the lens. Just use a soft, lint-free cloth, probably microfiber. It's the best one. Just use it and gently wipe the front camera in a circular motion. Check for smudges, dust, or fingerprints that can cause blurriness. Even tiny dirt or oil can make selfies look soft or hazy, so just clean the lens. The second thing you can do is remove screen protectors or cases. Some screen protectors or cases slightly cover the front camera or cause reflections, so just remove them and test the camera again to see if that's what's causing the problem. The third thing you can do is just check your camera settings. Go to your app library, search for settings, it's right there, and here just search for camera and ensure that features like mirror front camera right here or HDR aren't causing unusual focus. The last thing you can do is just force close and reopen camera. You can also try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes temporary software glitches can affect camera focus. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix iPhone front camera blurry. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.